warning for the following county: southern Tularosa Basin, New Mexico, and eastern and central El Paso County, Texas. Wind advisory now in effect until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. High wind warning in effect from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. The National Weather Service in Santa Teresa has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Timing: winds will increase late this morning and reach their peak speeds mid to late afternoon, before diminishing around sunset. Winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with a few gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Impact: gusty winds will create driving problems, especially for high-profile vehicles. Blowing dust may become significant hazard across much of the lowlands, causing poor visibilities. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution